Option Care Health is the largest independent infusion provider in the country. We have over 100 different pharmacies that service all 50 states and 150 different alternative infusion suites that also service patients around the country. Being in charge of product strategy and management really means finding the right solutions for the company to be able to achieve our goals. We think about who our strategic partners are and what other products and services that they have available. The one key aspect that we look for is their ability to integrate.
A lot of our clients are focusing on scalability and anticipating what's next. So as we look at how our clients have adapted technology over time, we've really seen customization is the enemy of scalability. So we've created industry-grade APIs that removes that barrier from a technology perspective that allows them to focus on providing care and us being their partner from a technology perspective.
WellSky has been a great partner with us for many years. When we decided to go through a digital transformation process, WellSky solutions were at the heart of that. The products that we select that are used by our clinicians and our staff, it just gives it a new meaning because you want them to be able to use the technology in a seamless way that also provides them the most relevant information about the patient to support that overall care, so that way they can be freed up to be able to provide better care, longer phone conversations if needed, more attention to the patients.
The ability to consume health information about a patient that happens outside of a home infusion provider allows the home infusion provider visibility to more complete information about what's happened with that patient, but more importantly, to contribute information back into the record that can be seen elsewhere down the patient's journey.
We've interviewed quite a few prescribers and talked to them about the value that we can provide as a post-acute provider. What we hear time and time again is, I want to know the pre-meds that they're on. I want to know the dose, the frequency, and there may be information that the prescriber may look at and say, I may want to intervene. I may want to try something different, to mitigate possible issues and overall reduce, the cost of care for the patients. They are hungry for that information, and we want to be able to give it to them.
What excites me about our opportunity with our clients is the scale of what I think is possible. We've talked about how we can scale with APIs. We've talked about how we can scale around interoperability from system to system. It's the next generation of things is really what excites me about what's going to continue to evolve in the home infusion space.
I see WellSky, being front and center of our ability to be able to connect with Commonwealth in care quality. We're very excited because this lays the foundation for us to be able to build upon our interoperability experience and forge into the arena of embedding into the workflow of the physicians as well. We'll receive the data, we'll have a more holistic view of the patient, and we are in a very unique position to be able to leverage that information to be able to improve their outcomes overall.